Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are doing a Daijour Beauty review. I was sent some things in the mail, and I wanted to review this because I really like the product. Right now right here I'm actually using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil to outline my eyebrows. If you watch my brow video, you pretty much know how my eyebrow routine goes. But I did go in, that's what you see me doing now. I did go in with the Daijour Beauty eyebrow pomade and dark brown to fill in those sparse areas of my eyebrows. And I really did like the brow pomade. It was a very creamy consistency. It was very pigmented. I really did like, from now on this is gonna be my pomade instead of the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. For some reason that one just, I don't like to use it, and I've tried all the different colors, but as far as this one, I loved it first go. Those were three of the eyeliner pencils I would not pencils, but the eyeliner gels that I had received. I think I have a closer up picture of those lashes later on in this video. So I was sent lashes, the Summertime Takeover palette, and those colors are so pigmented. You'll see later on in the video the eyeshadow look that I did with this palette, and I really did fall in love with this palette for the simple fact it's very pigmented. The colors are very pretty. They complement themselves, and it's just, I really like this summer takeover palette. Even though it is a summer palette, there is some more neutral colors in there, so you can do more of a neutral eye look, which is what I did in this video, because it's no longer summertime here for me. I am priming my face. I didn't do my face on camera, but I did prime it on camera. And here you see me using everything that was sent. I just did a little quick snippet so you can really see the product, and me opening it, like, super excited, super dope. And the two eyelashes that I was sent, one was, I think this one is Lula, which I am currently wearing today. Yes, Lula. More full, more dramatic, but I really do like those as well. And my favorite is Spiciana. They are a little bit more wispy, not as full, but those to me are more for everyday wear. I think the Lulu, I'm sorry I said Lula. The Lulu ones are more dramatic. That is the packaging that the eyebrow pomade came in. As you see, it is dark brown. They did come with the seal over it. I didn't open it in this video, but once again, very good products. And I was also sent some brushes, which I have not used yet, but I will use them. Really good eyeshadow brushes. And I was also sent a card. But here I pretty much put my face on already. Eyebrows are already done, so I'm about to start the eyeshadow look. Excuse me if you hear me chewing. It's late. I just got off work and I'm trying to snack. I am going in with just I think it's my, I'm sorry. Oh, and I did prime my eyes before with that concealer that I just showed, which was the LA Girls Pro Concealer in medium beige. I did that when I did my concealer under my eye. That's usually how I do my eye makeup. And I will go back in. Here I'm going in with the gold shimmery shade. I'm putting that all over my lid, all in my tear duct. And then I'm going to go in with a purple shade to add to my outer V and in my crease. And I'm going to blend that into the gold and up a little bit. And what I can say about these eyeshadow colors are they are very pigmented. They are very rich. They're very easy to work with. Very easy to blend out. Like, look at that purple. So pretty. Easy to work with, easy to blend out. You don't need a whole lot of product with this look. Well, not this look in general. Just with these eyeshadows, you don't need a whole lot of product. It is very pigmented. So a little goes a long way. And this eyeshadow look for me just came out so pretty, so pretty. I did have to go back in and you know, just touch up, add, blend, which is a part of eyeshadow and everything anyway. You have to go back in, you know, and add a little here, blend out a little bit more here. If you see me, I'm talking to my child. But anyway, like I said, these eyeshadows are very just, this is a very good palette. All the colors are pigmented, everything is really pretty, really easy to work with. um I just really enjoy working with this palette, even though it is a summertime palette. I did somewhat of a more neutral ish look with this eyeshadow. Sorry I keep going out of frame, but all in all, you'll see it once in. I just, here I'm going in with that black, and that black is so pigmented, so pigmented. So I just used a little and just really blended it out, and it was mostly just in my outer V, and just blended that purple with that black just to give it a more of a smoky effect. I love smoky eye. I've been doing smoky eyes since I've been doing makeup, so cut creases is not really my thing. um I just prefer a more, I guess, old school way of doing it. But once again, this this look was very easy to accomplish. It was very easy to work with. um I just really enjoyed this palette, and I'm gonna just let you guys finish watching it. I'm gonna stop talking, even though I'm totally off frame right now. But I come back in once, you know, everything is done, and you kind of see how everything is blending together and how everything is coming together.
Daijour on the beat.
As you can see, I started getting up so you can kind of get a closer view of this eyeshadow. I did do my lashes off camera because lashes are just so hard for me to do. Honestly, because I have the longest, curliest eyelashes. If you did watch my video on this hairstyle, these um look pretty familiar to you as far as me. There we go. Um, I got it to focus a little bit so you can kind of see the finished product of this eyeshadow look. Added a little I could have added some black liner to these lashes, but I just liked it regular. But that's pretty much the finished look for this makeup. And I really, of course, like I said, like how it turned out. It's really pretty. More so on the neutral side for me. Just with a little pop of color. It just looked, it went well with the outfit and the hair. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Daijour Beauty. You can follow this beauty company on Instagram. I will try to link all social medias for this excuse me, for this beauty company in the description box, so you guys will know how to follow and how to purchase. Really good um products to use. And again, I thank you guys so much for tuning in to my channel. I'll catch y'all in my next one.